Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your touchscreen is not responding on your LG G6. If the touchscreen is not responding, the first thing you should try is to simply clean your phone screen with a microfiber cloth. If that doesn't fix your issue, you could try also cleaning your fingers, as they could simply be covered in some substance that could be interfering with your phone detecting your touches. If those things, however, do not help, you could try resetting your phone. You couldn't do that through this menu you get by pressing and holding the power button, as your phone screen doesn't respond. So you want to press and hold it and the volume down button at the same time. It may cause a screenshot, but just keep holding them until this appears, and then just keep on holding them until your phone screen turns off. Afterwards, you can stop holding it and just wait for your phone to turn back on. After waiting for a bit, your phone will be back on, but if the screen still doesn't respond, the next thing you could try is to boot into safe mode. To do so, do the same thing as before. Simply press and hold until your phone turns off. And then once it's off, wait for the logo to appear, and then press and hold the volume down button until your phone powers back on. Just keep on holding it, make sure you don't release it, so that it certainly goes into safe mode. In safe mode, you'll be able to rule out any sort of an app interfering with your phone's touchscreen. You can verify that you're in safe mode by the safe mode text right here. But if your phone screen still doesn't respond to your touches, you may need to enter recovery mode to perform a factory reset. However, before that, you may want to try, for example, removing your screen protector and checking if maybe the screen protector was the issue by checking if the touch screen works once you remove it. Or try cleaning under the screen protector too. It could be something about the adhesive that somehow caused the touchscreen to not respond. But if all else fails, you could try taking it to a service center so they can take a look at your phone screen if it's, for example, just broken from use. Or you could try performing a factory reset to just, reset everything and maybe fix it. Which to enter recovery mode, you want to do the same thing as before. Simply press and hold the power and the volume down buttons. Then once your phone powers off, when the logo appears, release the power button and then press it again while still holding the volume down button all of the time. Then use the volume down button to go down to yes and press the power button to confirm. Then do it again. This will unfortunately reset all of your settings and, well, reset your phone to factory settings. But if by the end of this it still doesn't solve your problem, that may mean it's time to give your phone to a service station. But if it does solve your problem, then you might have to go through the setup process, as you might see in a second. So after waiting for a while, you're going to be in the first setup mode. So here you can test out if the phone screen works by simply just trying to go through it. Unfortunately, if it does not work, then you really might have to take it to a service center. Now, depending on how it all was with the setup, you might need to connect yourself to some network to confirm that it is you, the owner of the phone. Just keep going through the setup. You can just try recovering things or not if you don't want to. Just the standard first setup. Might be a bit of waiting since you just reset everything. You might have to use the account you had before on your phone in order to log in. Of course, after going through and adding your account back, you can just click through. Might be a bit of waiting again. You can choose to add your fingerprint or not. We're going to skip it for now. You can always add your fingerprints later. In here you can confirm different things. You have to confirm this, but these two are optional. You can choose which ones you want to allow. Then just click OK and you should be in your device as you were before. And well, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.